Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to publish a song on Spotify. So the first step is to open any browser and then search for TuneCore and then simply click on the first link, this one here, and then here you have to simply create your account, which is free. And then what you have to do is simply go to your dashboard, so you're going to see something like this. And then in order to add your song, you'll have to simply click on add release and then simply select single. And then here, as you can see, you have to enter the single title. Here you have to enter your name. And then here you have to simply choose if this song have explicit lyrics, language, the primary genre. And then here, as you can see, you have to simply choose the release date. And as you can see, automatically will be released to your Spotify account. So basically they will create a Spotify account for you. And after you enter all this required information, you'll have to simply click on save release and add songs, and then you have to simply upload your song, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.